Adema Igbo Chineke kelmacho ezima puliche Igbo disam ejimna kaneba hi n'ugbu ani na-enweta onwe gị. A very quick one. O nwere nwanne anyị nwoke ezinụlọ ya si na ọ na-efu efu. Onye awu onye Egbema kpọmkwem na kasụlọ ha Egbema nke steeti Imo. Mana asị m na ha ga-eji ọnụ ha kọrọ ya kpọmkwem otu ihe niile shiri wee mee ka enwe ike chọwa nwanne anyị nwoke a bụ onye nwaanyị ya na nwanne die ya o nwanne nwoke a na-efu efu so bịa n'ụlọ ọrụ anyị bịa kọwa kpọmkwem ka ihe siri wee mee. Ya mere biko aga m achọ ka anyị gee ntị mara kpọmkwem otu a ga-esi kwa nwaanyị ukwu wara.
Office, and we said, okay, let us interview you as the wife. Please, your name, the name of your husband, and what happened.
Okay, I'm Odinaka Victoria, the wife to 62 Odinaka. So on the 25th of September, he was at Calabar. Early hours of 25th, he was arrested by policemen, who they took him to Owerri. And on getting to Owerri, after some hours, they said they took him to Abuja. But till date, we have not seen from him, we've not heard from him. They restricted him from seeing his family or even having access to his lawyer. So apparently, he and Sir Mike Okiro had a problem before now. He was interested in the kingship position at his at his hometown, which is Obiaku at Ohajiebima local government. Sir Mike Okiro now was interested in the seat, so he brought someone else to occupy it, thereby intimidating 62s with his power. Then after some things they did, they were able to give the staff of office to Lucky Okoro, and they didn't go through the legal process. They did it illegally. Then 62 decided to take the matter to court, which have been in court since then. Before then, Sir Mike Okiro took Mayor 62 Odinaka to cell because of this kingship. That was last year October. He was in cell for 1 month. Then he was able to come out. They did the interrogation. They found out that he didn't kill anybody because Sir Mike Okiro was trying to label murder case on his head, which after the investigation, they found out that he didn't kill anybody. But ever since then, he has not had rest. Sir Mike Okiro has been after him, tracking him down to the extent of even locking his accounts. He doesn't have access to his bank accounts. He has been using this position to intimidate him for a very long time now. As we speak now, we don't even know where he is. He is missing.
So what happened? What actual event led to his missing? Was he arrested? Yes,
he was arrested by some police. Actually, in Owerri here, he has a court order which instructed that nobody should arrest him. And after Sir Mike Okiro arrested him, that was last year October, they went to court, and court instructed that nobody should harm him or touch him or arrest him again because his hands are clean. But Sir Mike Okiro still took the matter to Abuja just to use his power to intimidate him here. They have been after him for a very long time now.
So how did he got missing this time around? He
actually traveled to Calabar for something. He went to see someone. So on 25th around 2 a.m. in the midnight, some we don't even, I think they said that they are policemen, but we don't even know who they are, if they are actually policemen. They took him to Owerri State CID. Bringing him to Owerri State CID, they didn't even allow him have access to his lawyer or his family. Then they said they took him to Abuja. But till now, it's only hearsay. We don't even know his whereabouts, and they will not allow his family to speak to him.
Have you approached the state CID to know whether he was there or not?
When we got to state CID, according to what we were told, they said the case was not registered. They didn't register the case as they brought him there.
But was there a witness that he was brought to state CID?
Yes, there's a witness.
And they didn't register the case?
Yes, they didn't register the case.
I don't understand. So if they didn't register the case, now who took him away from the state CID?
That is what we don't know till date. We don't know if they even took him away because they would not allow him talk to anybody. So we don't even know his state. We don't even know if truly he is alive now because we have not seen. Today is going to make it a week. We've not seen or heard from him.
What is the full name of your husband?
His name is Odinaka 62 Chinye, but popularly known as Oil Mayor.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what do you want from the government?
We want justice because this case has been investigated before, and we found out that his hands are clean. Samuel Tokiro is just using his power as the former IG to intimidate him because of this position, which the matter is in court already.
Okay.
And before now, he has been given a court order that nobody should touch him or arrest him.
Okay. Thank you very much. I don't know whether we have any other.
Okay. Niji wabitere ife nwunye my senior brother kwuru. Ọnwa Okiro jigara ndị DPO police ebe ma ejebeje jiri ma brother ala Calabar ụzọ mere travel. Ala achụgharị kidnapper aka ma ekweghị ka afọ anya eme management ya mere mistake afọtụ anya na state CID area command. Eje ọpụ ya da were wetiti na sepe by 1 o'clock ọpụ adịa. Ala ha achụ anya ajụjụ kidnapper by debe anya mere since 4-5 days. So ala asị biko no Aziz Okiro dewara kpọrọ dị fọ kọmiti ọja court ka court judge ahụ biko.
Adịmma nwanne nwoke unu emele maka
Ọdịmma unu anụla ya ezinụlọ 6-2 na-achọ nwanne ha nwoke achọ. We urge and we appeal to the Commissioner of Police Imo State to please quickly look into this matter of missing Eze. Although Eze aha na-azọ ya azọ anyway n'Egbema Ọhajegbema in Ọlajegbema LGA of Imo State. Biko arịrịọ ka anyị na-arịọ ndị ọ dịkwa n'aka should do the investigation very thoroughly, and ọ bụrụ na maybe na o nwere onye na-eji ọkwa ya ma ọ bụ position ya na eyi ndị obodo egwu ma ọ bụ na-eme ndị obodo intimidate, I think the security agency should also look into that. Biko arịrịọ ka anyị na-arịọ. This man has been missing for the past 1 week. Onwebe onye ma ebe ọ nọ. So we urge action on the part of the Nigerian Police Imo State Command. Thank you very much.